How to use Etsy gift wrapping feature. To use the Etsy gift wrapping feature, first of all, you must enable it within your shop settings. So, go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the Etsy Shop Manager website, then proceed to log into your account. Once you've logged in, click on the settings, then select the options. From there, scroll down to the gift wrapping section, then enable the feature itself. Now all you have to do is set your price and options. Enter the specific amount you want to charge per order for gift wrapping, and then write a clear, brief description explaining what your gift wrapping looks like, and also proceed to upload the photo and click save. All you have to do is now go to your listing manager, and if you have fragile, oversized or heavy items that cannot be wrapped, open those specific listing and scroll to the shipping section of the listing editor and uncheck the boxes for gift wrapping to disable it for that exact item. You simply have to now process the gift wrapped items, open your orders and shipping tab, and look for the gift wrap requested button or badge, then review the message and package the items beautifully as described. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.